Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to make Wix heading 1 text, heading 2 text and heading 3 text. Follow these easy steps to easily add heading 1, 2, 3 paragraphs or headline in your Wix website. First of all, go to your Wix website editor and then click on Add Elements. And here click on Text. And go to Themed Text. And here the first heading is heading 1 and this is heading 2 and this is heading 3. So to add heading 1 title or headline, just click on that, and here you can see the heading 1 add date. And the same way, go to Add Elements, Text. Now select heading 2 and now let's add heading 3 title. So this is how we can actually add heading 1, 2, 3 text or tag in WordPress. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.